girl, don't think so much. Hey Knowledge and Beauty fam, it's Kelly and you are welcome back to your favorite art channel. So guys, today I will share with you one another amazing wall painting, and guys, this is my first ever wall painting. Before that, I want to share with you one amazing things. Now, I am one of the national record holder. Yes, recently my work has been confirmed for India Book of Record. And guys, this is for your inspiration only. If you also want to know how you can apply for that, then please let me know in the comment section. I will do a different video of that. Now let's talk about the wall painting, because I am really very much excited to show you that processing. It was really one amazing experience as I have tried it first time, and more than 3 or 4 months I am just thinking like I want to do one wall painting, but I don't have that much experience, or in this lockdown I don't want to go out to buy new paint. So like that, it's not happening. Then I asked one of my colleague who is a pro about this wall painting. So I asked him and he said you can do with your fabric color also, but before that you have to check one thing. So I was very much excited and I asked what I need to check. So he said just rub on the wall and check if any dust is coming. So I just do that and no dust is coming. So he said you can use fabric color to color that wall. So I was like pumped up to do that. So from the next morning I have started, and it's taken 20 to 24 hours, not more than that. In case you are looking for how you can decorate your home or how you can do one wall painting, then I think this video will be helpful for you. So first of all, I will show you where I will paint. Okay, so I will show you the wall. Let's go.
So guys, this is the wall and you can see I have already done with the pencil sketch.
And I will not make the full body portion, I will make only the half portion of the body. And there, this flute will be on the hand of Radha, not on the hand of Krishna. Okay, one peacock feather will also be there. I can imagine. Lord Krishna is bending on the head of Radha and they are spending quality time. Like this, only this wall painting will show you. I really love to draw this Radha Krishna or otherwise Buddha. These two things really I love to draw and paint. If you want to watch the Buddha painting, then I will put the link there in the description box. You can watch also. I really love to be in a colorful place. So why not I paint my world? I mean my room. So the plan sounds perfect, but we don't know how it would come up. So now it's time to work. Hey girl, don't think so much. Okay, so let's get started.
So guys, as here already the pencil case was done, now the next thing I am doing by using fabric color, and I am painting on the hand of Krishna. And here I am using blue fabric color, and then for the hair obviously I will use black, and after that I have to make some shade with deep blue. I will use deep blue to give the shade of the hair of Krishna. It's very much soothing process when you will put brush on wall and you are using fabric color. And yeah, this is my day 1 work, and after that I'll start the day 2 work. Yeah, so I'm ready for the day 2 work. I am just organizing my paint, brushes and palette. Then I will start my work. You can watch it with some music.
I got 3 days off, and in that 3 days I have completed this wall painting. So guys, this is very much simple. If you can use your favorite color for wall painting, then I think you can do it, na? I also love the color and these colorful things very much. So I have tried this in the wall of our living room.
Guys, day 3 work also started. I am starting from morning and it's Sunday, so I have all the day to work, and really it's painful when you have to stand for 7 or 8 hours to paint. It's really very much painful. But still we have to finish it, and I really want this colorful look. I want to watch it as soon as possible, so I will do this today. I will complete this today, and obviously you can see it.
By the way, it's very hot today. That's why I'm sweating. Just ignore that.
So guys, you can see how cute it is. So I can say you that if you want to do something from your heart, then please start it. If you didn't start it, then till that time only you will get some fear. But if you start that things, then obviously you can finish it and it will be very much amazing. I can assure you that. So please start your hobbies or anything whatever you want, and I think you can overcome that fear and you can start your work to get a beautiful look of your painting. See, no one can learn easily in a short time of period. It's a very long time experience or very long time practice. If you practice more, your work will be very much good. It will be perfect by practicing more and more. So keep practicing. So guys, now I have already done with the plan and see how perfect it's looking. And now the only thing is I have to do is I have to color the background. So I will put yellow color to color the background, and here it is. So this is the final look, and please guys let me know in the comment section how it was. Please guys, do comment, do like. Until now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do it.
So guys, that was the tutorial of my first ever wall painting. If you do like that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family who loves to draw and who also want to decorate their house or home. Thank you guys for tuning this video. Stay happy, stay safe, stay at your home. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video.